Hi, I'm RG Pamaran again. Welcome to my vlog, RGTV03 True to Life Story. And what is all about to talk today, to talk this video is about a planogram, how to build a planogram. You know what? Way back year 2010, I worked in Unilever Philippines in United Nations Manila, and I used to be a category management department in Unilever Philippines. And we build a planogram. And you know what? We like an engineer in the supermarket. It's a huge job. It's a critical job because you try to manage yourself every time. And how to build a planogram first before we start, how to build a planogram. uh, some people don't know this because it will inside the supermarket, so all people knows it because planogram is how to build a supermarket inside the supermarket, how to build inside the supermarket. So no, all people will know this video. Before we The first thing you do, how to build a planogram, you need a tape measure, you have a ruler, you have a measure measurement thing to measure the, you have a measure instrument to measure the product of the. We know that Unilever is a popular, it's a big company all over the world, but at the same time, planogram is a critical job because I experienced that before. The first thing, how to build a planogram is, like I said before, you have a measurement thing like a tape measure or other proper measurement, right? You you start you will start a to draw the supermarket first and measure the gondola. The gondola is the shelves where you put the product in the, it's a put or non product inside the supermarket. And you know what? You need a measurement, tape measure, and measurement thing, measure the gondola, and every each item in the product, you will measure it. And you put that in Microsoft Office, in Microsoft Excel first. And then you need a space planogram. That's the software we use in Unilever Philippines. Space planogram. And you know what? You cannot hack that because every time I put a pre-planogram in the internet, there's no pre-planogram because Unilever buy that product, space planogram. And you need a flash drive to save the planogram if you build a planogram in the computer. You know, and the second thing to build a planogram is every time you go to the supermarket, each supermarket or wherever your supermarket, you, because people go to supermarket, right? So every time you see the display things in the planogram, is this what I'm trying to tell is the display, whatever display in the supermarket, it builds a planogram. And we have people power like merchandiser who work in the supermarket. We are the team leader, and we try to communicate to the merchandiser, and we try to help them to build the planogram, to how to discover the payment, the quantity, the payment, and how to display each other food or non-product inside the supermarket. It's very hard. But the second thing is The second, try to be you is try to hard to think of it, because every time you go to supermarket, it's hard. But all of that is to being all of that is the how to build a planogram. You need a Microsoft Excel, measurement things, and space planogram. That's the three only. Remember? Microsoft Excel, space planogram, and measurement things, how to measure the supermarket. Okay? See you on my next vlog.